Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hand foiler is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to add a touch of elegance and protection to their projects, whether it's crafting, packaging, or even food preservation. This innovative device offers a clean, efficient, and precise way to apply foil to various surfaces, transforming ordinary items into something extraordinary with a simple press, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for achieving professional-looking results with ease and speed. Number 5. Table foiler for stained glass. Introducing our efficient foiling tool, designed to save you time and effort. It makes the foiling process faster and more accurate than ever before. This tool features versatile mounts that accommodate various foil sizes, including 7/32, 3/16, and 1/4 inches. 3 wheels are included for your convenience. Its portable design allows you to foil wherever you want. Enjoy the freedom to work on your projects at your preferred location. Using this foiler helps keep the foil centered. This results in stronger soldered joints and a more polished final product. Elevate your stained glass projects with this essential tool. Experience efficiency, versatility, and professional results with every use. What we like. This tool is designed to save you time and effort when foiling. Its versatile mounts accommodate various foil sizes, and its portable design offers freedom. If you're looking for a faster and more accurate foiling process, especially for stained glass projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The hand foiler is a great tool for adding a professional touch to crafts. It's easy to use and produces clean, crisp foil lines. The foiler heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for good results. Number 4. Heavy-duty circular glass cutter 40 #. Introducing our heavy-duty circular glass cutter. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making it a must-have tool. Experience clean cuts every time. This tool ensures no waste and no breakage, simplifying your glass cutting tasks. Crafted with a polished golden metal lever and clear-cut scales, it's built for durability and ensures easy reading of measurements. The powerful suction cup holds the center firmly in place while the cutter head precisely scribes the circle. This provides stability for accurate cuts. It can handle a cutting diameter range from 7 cm to 40 cm, 2.8 to 15.7 inches. This versatility makes it suitable for various projects. For optimal performance and longevity, always use this tool with cutting oil. This ensures smooth operation and a clean finish. What we like. This cutter offers a simple and effective way to cut glass with no waste or breakage. The polished metal lever and clear scale make it easy to use, while the suction cup ensures stability. If you need to cut precise circles on glass, especially for larger projects up to 40 cm, this is the tool for you. What people say. The hand foiler is a great addition to my craft supplies. It is easy to use and produces beautiful foiled results. I love the hand foiler. It's so simple to operate and the foil adheres perfectly to my projects. This foiler is a game changer for my card making. The foiling is crisp and clean every time. Number 3. Studio Pro FID Pack, 2-pack. Introducing the Studio Pro FID Pack, sold as a convenient pack of 2. These are specially designed plastic fids for your crafting needs. Easily open and smooth your caning projects with these essential tools. They are designed for optimal performance. Experience superior comfort during use, thanks to their ergonomic design. They are built to last, ensuring durability for all your projects. Achieve professional results with tools engineered for exceptional performance. They provide the reliability you need. Get a pack of 2 for great value and convenience. You'll always have one ready when you need it. What we like. This pack provides 2 specially designed plastic fids for opening and smoothing caning. They are built for comfort, durability, and performance. If you're working with caning and need reliable, comfortable tools for smoothing and opening, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The hand foiler is a game changer for my crafting projects. It's incredibly easy to use and produces professional-looking results every time. I love how versatile the hand foiler is. It can handle different types of foil and paper, and the results are always crisp and clean. The design of the hand foiler is sleek and ergonomic. It fits comfortably in my hand, making it easy to maneuver and apply foil precisely where I want it. Number 2. Solder Fume Extractor 12V. This device features a high-efficiency 2,800 revolutions per minute fan. It provides strong suction to effectively absorb toxic fumes and purify the air with low noise. Built with a pure copper motor and a sturdy metal enclosure, it's designed for longevity. The non-slip rubber feet keep it stable, and a carrying handle makes it portable. Maintenance is simple with easily replaceable filters. 2 replacement filters are included to get you started. Safety is paramount. This unit is constructed with ESD-safe materials, ensuring protection during sensitive operations. Perfect for soldering stations, laser cutters, and DIY projects. It effectively removes harmful smoke, creating a safer working environment. What we like. This fume extractor offers strong absorption of toxic fumes with its high-speed fan and low noise. The upgraded metal enclosure and non-slip feet ensure stability, and it's ESD-safe for sensitive work. If you're soldering or working with lasers and need to effectively remove harmful fumes, this is a must-have for a healthier workspace. What people say. The hand foiler is a game-changer for my crafting projects. It's incredibly easy to use and produces beautiful, consistent foiling results every time. I love the sleek design of the hand foiler. It's compact and fits perfectly on my desk, and the build quality feels very sturdy. The versatility of the hand foiler is amazing. I've used it with various types of foil and cardstock, and it handles them all flawlessly. The precision it offers is unmatched. Number 1. SGI Foil Dispenser. Introducing the SGI Foil Dispenser, crafted from high-impact plastic for lasting durability. It's designed to handle your various needs with ease. This dispenser is engineered to hold 7 different sizes of copper foil, ranging from 5/32 to 1/2 inch. You'll always have the right size at hand. It features larger slots, perfect for keeping your scissors or trim knife readily accessible. Everything you need is kept together. Constructed with high-impact plastic, this tool is built to withstand demanding use. Its robust design ensures it will be a reliable part of your toolkit. Streamline your projects with this efficient foil dispenser. Its thoughtful design makes managing your materials simpler and more organized. What we like. Made from high-impact plastic, this dispenser accommodates a wide range of copper foil sizes. It also features larger slots for your tools. If you frequently work with different widths of copper foil and want a durable, convenient way to store and dispense it, this dispenser will streamline your workflow. What people say. The hand foiler is a game-changer for my crafting projects. It's so easy to use and creates beautiful foil designs with precision. I love how versatile the hand foiler is. It can handle different types of foils and paper, and the results are always stunning. The compact design of the hand foiler makes it perfect for small spaces. It's also very lightweight, making it easy to move around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.